Hello, and welcome to the show. Today on LEGO Creations, we have another subscriber request for you. Lego Parrot. I'm going to be doing some different LEGO animals for the next few weeks. Got quite a few requests early on for various animals, and I want to get those done. Some interesting news on Project PC. Recent developments are ensuring our ability to purchase a second PC for the wife to use. So look forward to some Minecraft PC adventures to be coming your way this fall. This week's LEGO creation brings up a perfect example of items do not have to be Minecraft related. Feel free to leave your requests or suggestions down below. As usual, don't forget that like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you next time.